Okay guys, so the next strategy, and you can see here, is one-click syndication strategies, such as favorite a video in your main YouTube channel or click to watch later option in your YouTube channel while you're logged in. And basically what it's going to do is going to syndicate as long as you have got this strategy set up within ifttt.com to do that. So what I'm going to do is come over to ifttt.com, and you can see that I've got just one recipe in here. This is sending anything I do in Aweber, any post I make in Aweber, any email goes out in Aweber will automatically get syndicated into my fan page, okay, from this. Okay, so that means that if I do a new blog post, it will automatically get posted into my fan page because I've already set that up as automated with Aweber. Okay, if I do a promotion, it will get syndicated into my fan page, okay. So I want to build this up a little bit better, and I want to put useful information into this fan page to make it a very good resource, okay, or an interesting place for SEO people to go, okay. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Right now, what I want to do is click on where it says channels. I'm in ifttt.com. I'm using Chrome to be in there. I click on where it says activated channels, and I make sure that I've got all of these activated. And you can see here I've got a problem with WordPress, and that's because I changed the password in my WordPress site the other day, so I need to go back in and fix that. But I can do that a little bit later. It's not essential for me right now. So all I want to do right now is I want to take the username and I want to take the password and I want to add it in to Video Synd Alpha. Now I'm talking about the username and password for ifttt. You can see my username up here is this one here, Wymints, whatever it is. Okay, so come over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on username and paste that in here. Okay, that's for the ifttt username. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go into LastPass. I'm going to sorry, I need to copy the passport and the password. Copy password, and I come back over to Video Synd Alpha, and I'll put the password in here. Okay, now we can put links as well, and we can put some anchor text as well. So if I want to do something that is just branding, I can put Anthony Hayes, and for example I can link out to my Twitter account. So for example I can put http twitter.com Tony Hayes SEO, or I can do my fan page URL, for example, and just have links coming back into that fan page for every time it's been posted, okay. Can do it in multiple ways. This is where I'll choose to do this one. Actually, let's do it with the fan page, a bit easier. I'll just go over to Facebook. I'll grab that URL quickly, just to keep it consistent with the strategy. It's not time for experiment on videos, on live videos. It's kind of stuff I do when I'm on my own, and I keep doing it, and that's why you get so many strategies coming out of me, because we keep playing with stuff, testing stuff, moving stuff around, and that's how it's done, guys. Okay, so let's come back over to Video Synd Alpha. I'm going to put in here the link to the fan page. Let's take off where it says referring bookmarks, anchor text, branding. Okay, you can see it automatically fills that part in for us with the HTML. We don't need to know HTML. If you want to do an authority outbound link, you can, and you can do that in there. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it like this. Okay, so now I've got that done, what I want to do is start creating recipes, and it will go and kick off. Now some of these it won't be able to do because I don't have some channels activated, but we'll go back into the ifttt account after this is done. We will fix anything we need to fix manually because it doesn't take too long to do. Okay, so the first one done. Any new video uploaded to my main YouTube channel will get posted to Facebook. Any new post made in my Facebook fan page, okay, which is this, okay, if I'm doing a new video of Aweber posting there, then that will get syndicated to WordPress. Okay, LinkedIn I've not activated, I'm going to close that down. Any post and fan page will get bookmarked by Delicious. Any post and fan page will get syndicated to a PR5 Tumblr account, which will be linking back to the fan page. Flickr I haven't activated, we'll get rid of that one. Okay, so we can see we've created all of those. Now what we want to do, which we will build into the software as well, we just don't have it right now, is we want to create some more. So I'm going to click on my recipes, and I'm going to click on create a recipe, and if this, and what we're going to do Let's go down to YouTube, click on this, and so if I do a new favorite video, if I favorite a video on YouTube, then that will happen. That will be Facebook fan page. We're going to post it to Facebook fan page. Create a status message. Now the status message, what we want to do is when we click in this little box, you can see this appears over here on the right hand side. So we're going to select what they call ingredients. So we're going to put the title. That will make sure the title shows up. We're going to put the description. That will make sure we'll have some content in there. And we're going to put the URL. We're going to add that. And we're going to also put embed code. Okay, that means the video embed code. The video will show. Okay, maybe I want to make this slightly different. Maybe I want to put like it is in YouTube, for example. So you would have the title, and then you would have your video, then you would have your description, and you'll have a URL at the end, for example. Okay, we can do it that way too. Right now, so we can just create that action. Click on create a recipe. Okay, that means that if I go into my account, my YouTube channel, and I favorite any video, then what will happen is the video will get posted to the fan page. Because a new post is made in fan page, IFTTT will do a data run every 15 minutes. Okay, it will look for new content. When it finds new content, it's going to do what the software has told it to do. The recipes that we have created here. It's going to make a post over to WordPress, make a post to Delicious, make a post to Tumblr, PR5 Tumblr, make a tweet with the PR5 Twitter account. Okay, make a post into Blogger. I've got a 301 redirect, a very powerful expired domain linking to this Blogger account. So we're adding some link juice here. We've got Evernote bookmarks. I haven't used LinkedIn. We got Reddit. We got Storyfy. We're bookmarking with Deco, bookmarking with Bitly, and we haven't used Flickr. Okay, we can go back and fix these, and we can do some more as well probably. One more I do want to do in here. There's multiple things that we can do actually. Let's just do one more with the YouTube. Click on YouTube, because some people they're telling me they can't find where to favorite. So what you can do is click watch now video. If this then that. So if I put a watch later video option, then make it post to the fan page. Okay, and we'll create a status message. And again, we're going to make sure it's got the title. Add. Then we're going to make sure that we got the embed code. Add. Then we're going to make sure it's got the description. Add. Then it's going to make sure we got the URL and everything is looking good. Okay, create the action. Okay, so if you can't do the favoriting, you'll be able to do that. Okay, we will build this into the software in Video Synd Alpha. Okay, there's some other things that we can do in here as well if we want to take this even further, but I'll show you that in another video. Okay, so that's how we use this for one-click syndication. So if you're in the YouTube channel, or what you can do with Video Synd Alpha is come over here where it says channel bookmarks. You put in your username and your password, okay, for your main channel. Okay, you choose a channel that you want to syndicate content. So if we've got some content on somebody's channel, for example, let's just do it like this. If I put Moz HQ, it's not even my channel, it doesn't even have to be my channel. Okay, if I put Moz HQ and I click on load videos, and you can see introducing Moz local, I can click start favoriting. If this is my main, I don't know, I've got two O's in the column there. If this is my main channel, okay, which it isn't, there's not even a real password up here. If this is the main channel, then if I start favoriting in here, I can go and favorite a whole bunch of these. It can either be my channel or someone else's, or maybe I just want to curate someone else's content. Okay, what we can do then is click on start favoriting. We can even put a time delay in there if we want to. I wouldn't worry about it with YouTube, it's not that big a deal. Okay, and basically that will syndicate that content into the fan page, and then from the fan page you're just mixing up your content with high quality content from an authority, from an influencer. Okay, so what happens at that point is that when we come into the fan page syndication, you will notice that we have a link here. We have a link here that will be added to every post. So even if that post is coming from Moz, even if the post is coming from Moz, even if it's introducing Moz local video in here, that's Moz HQ YouTube channel, even if it has that video introducing Moz local, when it gets posted into my fan page, it's going to, or when it gets posted to all of these different places as well, it's going to have a link going back, as well as a link to Moz. It's going to have a link going back to my fan page, okay, with the anchor text Anthony Hayes. Every single post is made. So whenever Moz update their content, if I can have it that, you know, that automatically happens, okay, just by favoriting. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how we automate that for every piece of content from influencers and authority figures, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.